Let's see the next example. 5.2 divided by 5. First, convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. That is 5.2 means 52 divided by 10. Divided by 5. There is no denominator, it means there is 1. So now convert this division into the multiplication. First write down first fraction as it is 52 upon 10. Convert this into the multiplication and write down the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 1, that is 1 upon 5. So here answer is 52 1s are 52, 10 5s are 50. Now convert these into the 10 or 100. So we can convert this 50 into the 100. If you multiply with 2, then it convert into the 100. If you multiply with 2 the denominator, then also multiply 2 to the numerator also. Here 52 multiply by 2, that is 104 upon 50 multiply by 2, that is 100. So answer is, write down 104 as it is. Here are two zeros, so leave 2 places from the back side, 1 2, and give here point. So answer is 1.04. Next example, 13.5 divided by 15. See first, this is a decimal fraction, convert it into the common fraction. 13 upon 5, it means 135 upon 10. Because there is a 1 place to the right side of decimal point. Then divided by 15, it means 15 upon 1. Then write first fraction as it is, 135 upon 10. This division, convert this division into the multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 1, that is 1 upon 15. So here 135 ones are 135, and here 10 into 15, that is 150. Now you know 135 and 150 are the numbers from the 15 number table. 15 9s are 135 and 15 10s are 150. Okay, I divide to the numerator also by 15 and to the denominator by 15. 15 9s are 135 and 15 10s are 150. So answer is 9 upon 10. Now convert this common fraction into the decimal fraction. There is a 9, answer is 9. So write down here 9. And to the denominator there is 1 0. So leave 1 place from the back side to the right side. So give here decimal point, right here 0. So answer is 0.9. Now sixth example, 1.75 divided by 25. First, convert this decimal fraction into the common fraction. 175. Here are 2 places to the right side of decimal point. So right here to the denominator there is 100. 175 divided by 100. Divided by 25 means 25 upon 1. Now write down first fraction as it is. Then convert this division sign into the multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of 25 upon 1, that is 1 upon 25. Now here the multiplication, if you can reduce here also, okay, 25 ones are 25 and 25 sevens are 175. You can reduce in this step also. If their numerator and denominator, these both numbers are from the same table, that is see 25 and 175 are from the 25's table. Okay, so answer is 7 into 1, that is 7 ones are 7, 100 into 1, that is 100 ones are 100, 7 upon 100. Now convert this common fraction into the decimal point. The answer is, write down 7. Here are 2 zeros, so leave 2 places from the back side, 1, 2, give here decimal point, add here zeros. How many places are necessary here? Add that much zero here. So answer is 0.07. Let's see the next example. 7.7 divided by 1.1. See here, these both numbers are in decimal fraction. So convert is that number into the common fraction. 7.7, it means 77 upon 10 divided by 1.1 means 11 upon 10. Now write down first fraction as it is, 77 upon 10, and convert this division into the multiplication and write down 11 multiplicative inverse of 11 upon 10, that is 10 upon 11. You can reduce here also. See this 10 get cancelled. 11 ones are 11 and 11 sevens are 77. So answer is 7 into 1, that is 7 upon 1 into 1, that is 1. So answer is 7. Next example, 6.4 divided by 0.8. See here, same example. These both numbers are in the decimal fraction. So first convert this decimal fraction into the common fraction. So write down here 6.4 means 64 upon 10 divided by 0.8 means 8 upon 10. Now write down first fraction as it is, that is a 64 upon 10 multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of 8 upon 10, that is 10 upon 8. Now you can reduce in this step. This 10 get cancelled, means there is 1, 8 ones are 8 and 8 8s are 64. So answer is 8 into 1, that is 8, 1 into 1, that is 1. So answer is 8. Okay, write down these examples.